Project reviews. I don't mean the mini reviews along the way, the kind of the updates, etc. I'm talking about project review at the end of a project. Now, that is one of the things that so often doesn't happen. And there are reasons for that. I think sometimes people kind of think, what's the point? Because we have this meeting. In the old days, you'd type that up on a piece of paper and put it in a filing cabinet, and that was it. No one ever saw it again, so it was a bit pointless, quite frankly. But in terms of sharing information, we now have such things as internets, etc. in order to share a space, to be able to actually share information with other people, so that one day they can, kind of your in-house search engine, they can go, I wonder if someone's done a project on, and then they type it in and your project comes up. Okay, and then with the learning points from your project. I think another reason is sometimes people fear blame, that whole kind of pointy finger thing going on. If it was you did it, no, you're the reason why. If you're the project manager, you can just eliminate that one pretty quickly if you're brave enough. Just simply say, because this is, by the way, the project review with the team, not with major stakeholders, etc. This is simply the team review. You can just simply say, okay, I'm the project manager. I will take the hit for that. I was responsible for the project, so if there's blame to be had, I'll take that. Now let's move on. Here's the other one, and this is probably one of the other reasons why it doesn't happen, and it's called diary bingo. This is where you get to the end of a project and go, right, I suppose better review it now. Okay, so well, I can't do this week, and then next week, I could do Friday. Oh, you can't do Friday. Okay, fair enough, let's have a look. And then I'm on holiday for 2 weeks after that. Oh, and then you're on holiday. And it's almost like the time when we can get everyone's diaries together to have this review meeting is like in 6 months' time, which is way too late because we've forgotten all about it and we've moved on to other things by then. Okay, so here's the tip. Took a while coming, but here it is. When you do your timeline chart of these are the kind of activities, this is when we expect to do things, the final thing on your timeline or Gantt chart, that needs to be project final review meeting. So therefore the project does not complete or is not considered complete until the final review happens. Build final review into the project plan. Then you should know what week or when the meeting is going to happen. Sorts out the whole diary thing as well. Oh, amazing tips. Make your projects more successful.